everyone. Welcome to RM Pharmacist. As you all know, OSSSC already released notice for the recruitment of pharmacist in the 15th of December 2023. Here in this video we will cover important details regarding the examination and how to apply for it. First, start with some important dates regarding the exam. Here you can see that the online application for this will start from the 22nd of December 2023 and the last date of application will be the 20th of January 2024. And most probably the written exam will be taken in the month of March 2024.
For the age, the candidate must have attained the age of 21 years, and for the upper age limit, it is not more than 38 years. Age relaxation will be given for the candidates belonging to these categories. The pay scale will be from 25,500 to 81,100. Here comes the most important criteria, which is the minimum educational qualification required for this post. The candidate must have completed 10+2 in science under Council of Higher Secondary Education, OSSSC or equivalent, along with diploma in pharmacy or Bachelor of Pharmacy from government medical colleges of the state or any other private universities approved by AICTE and exam conducted by Odisha Pharmacy Board. You don't need to pay any examination fee for applying in this post, totally free of cost. Total number of vacancies for pharmacists are 1002. The link for official website will be given in the video description. The conduct body for this exam is Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission, and also the official PDF with all the details will be given in the description and in first comment. Once again, to remind all of you that the online application will start from tomorrow, the 22nd of December 2023, and the last date of application will be the 20th of January 2024. So, please start applying as early as possible, don't delay, because at the end moment you can face different technical difficulties. So, it's better to fill the form as early as possible. Always use the official website from the OSSSC authority for checking any kind of information. In the official PDF all the detailed information are available. So, please read them carefully before applying. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comments section. Detailed video on how to apply with step-by-step guidance will come soon. Candidates belonging to Odisha state, don't miss this opportunity. Go for it.